Decades of technical mastery walking out the door. The ambition is there. The economics aren't. Every new regulation is another weight on the same team. The roadmap is clear. The people to execute it aren't there yet. "300,000 engineers graduate here every year. Innovation, depth, scale. Talent that doesn't run out. Innovation that doesn't slow down. Innovation happening now, at a scale no other market can match. The governance framework that global corporations demand, already here. This is where the world's most ambitious companies are building their next chapter. Inductus GCC, India's leading GCC enabler. We make sure they build it right.